Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. So, children, today is our English class, okay? And today we will learn letter B in lowercase, okay? In previous class, we have learned letter B in uppercase, and today we are going to learn letter B in lowercase. Lowercase means small b. Small b. Okay, children? So, children, tell me what is the date today? Today is 19 June 2021. And what is the day today? Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Okay, children. So, children, first of all, we are going to start with our phonics book. Okay, so take out your phonics book. So, children, this is your phonics book. Okay, so open page 7. Okay, so here is our letter A and B. So, children, look at the picture, says the sounds and letters along with the teacher. So, children, as you already know, what is the sound of A? The sound of A is A. A. The sound of A is A. And this is lowercase a and this is uppercase K. A. Okay, so A says a and a apple and a astronaut. Okay, now next letter is B. Okay, this is lowercase b and this is uppercase B. And what is the sound of B? The sound of B is B. The sound of B is B. B. Ball. B. Bird. And B. Boy. Okay, children. Now next we will take our literacy book and open page number 31. So what you have to do in this page, you have to write lowercase b and uppercase b. Okay, children, first you have to write here lowercase b and then uppercase b. So children, now let's see how to make lowercase b. So let's start. Starting with the first line, red line, okay? Like this. In our English notebook, there are 4 lines. First one is red, then blue, third one is blue and fourth one is red. So children, first of all, you have to start with red line. And how to make letter B in lowercase? So, starting with the red line and make a standing line and stop on third line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, third line. Then you have to make a curve. Okay, like this. So you have to make letter B in lowercase like this. So one more time, you have to make a standing line, then a curve. Okay, this is a left side curve. Left side curve. Okay, again we have to make a standing line, then a curve. Okay, children. So children, you have to write letter B in lowercase in your English notebook like this. Okay, in previous class we have done letter B in uppercase. Okay, now today we will do letter B in lowercase. So we have to make a standing line, then a curve. Okay, standing line and curve, standing line and curve. Okay children, you have to do like this in your English notebook, and in your literacy book you have to write letter B, lowercase b and uppercase B in your book on page number 31. And move on page number 32. So in this page what you have to do, write the letter B, this is lowercase b, and complete the words. Okay, so you have to see the picture, then tell the word. Okay, so what is this? This is B, B. So you have to write here B, lowercase b, B. And what is this? Book, book. So you have to write here lowercase b. Okay, book. And what is this? Ball, ball. So you have to write here lowercase b. And who is this? Yes, this is a boy, boy, boy. Okay, now next picture is, this is bun, bun. So you have to write here lowercase b, bun. And what is this? This is a bat, bat. Okay, so we have to write here B, lowercase b. Okay children, now on next page, page number 33. So what you have to do, color the picture where the name begins with B. तो आपको क्या करना है, लेटर बी से जो पिक्चर स्टार्ट होती है, नेम स्टार्ट होता है, उसमें कलर करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ बॉल, ball. So you have to color it. Okay, and what is this? Cat. This is letter C. So but you have to color the picture where the name begins with B, balloon. So you have to color the balloon. And which letter is it? H, heart. No. And S, stars. So you have to color the picture where the name begins with B. So here we have ball and balloon. So you have to color ball and balloon. Okay children, so this is your homework. You have to do this work and share with me. Okay children. Page number 31, page number 32 and page number 33 in your literacy book. And one page you have to do in your English notebook. Letter B in lowercase. Okay children. So bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.